715,000 homes without power. You can feel the gusts now. Goodness me. You can feel the gusts and being blown from both directions. It's quite extraordinary. Winds coming up this street, but also from behind me.
Yeah, we're okay. We are okay. We're relatively safe here. I could do with the coffee right enough, but the conditions have really intensified in the last hour since we last chatted. Okay, the wind gusts are getting up to, well, beyond 70 miles per hour.
You really are advised to stay at home and try and keep yourself pretty much warm. I mean, you can actually see I am getting pushed about here quite a lot by the gusts that are coming in.